Welcome! In this video, you'll learn all about how climate affected the migration into Greenland. Have you ever wondered what drove people to migrate, often on foot, across the world to cold Arctic places like Greenland? People, like all animals, move around in search of food, and the climate has always had a significant impact on our food source. A thick sheet of ice covers most of Greenland, so humans mostly settled along the coastline. They had to learn ice hunting skills, develop new tools, and even build vessels to sail in the seas. The first group of people, the Sakak, arrived around 7,000 years ago. Greenland had just come out of a cooling period, and temperatures gradually increased. 2,000 years later, the Earth cooled, and this change affected both caribou and sea animal populations, both Sakak food and sources. Scientists believe that this is why the Sakak left Greenland. Soon after the Sakak's departure, the Dorset people arrived. The tools they left behind showed that they were better adapted to living in cold climates. The Dorset had stone vessels to burn seal fat in and ice knives. They also experienced several cycles of warming and cooling in Greenland. Scientists aren't sure why the Dorset left, but other factors that aren't related to climate might be the reason. The Norse people, also known as the Vikings, settled in Greenland about 1,000 years ago, but they didn't stay long, and scientists believe this has to do with the sudden drop in temperatures. A few centuries later, the Thule people came to Greenland and have remained there ever since. The descendants of the Thule people are called the Inuits. This group of people makes up about 89% of the population in Greenland. To survive, they hunt seal, narwhal, walrus, and gather plants. Today, Greenland inhabitants still practice traditional hunting methods, which strikes a balance between humans and animals. How will rapid climate change in recent years affect the lives of Inuits in Greenland? No one is quite sure. Thanks for watching.